I was making some calls yesterday. Obviously, everybody's talking about Nvidia. I spoke to a managing director of a big bank. They really felt like the pullback, it was just insider selling, profit taking, no change to the fundamentals of the stock, and no real change in momentum, at least not until earnings. Agree or disagree?
Oh, I totally agree. We've had a tremendous run-up. This stock has had these run-ups and then pullbacks historically. We were down 20% last year. We had a 20% drawdown once already this year. We get a 20% drawdown. Yeah, it's technically a bear market, but let's remember where we came from and then look at the timing of it. We just came through that historic stock split. The stock was rebalanced just last week to be the #2 holding the XLK. And then portfolios are managing their positions now. We're coming to the halftime part of the year. And if you had $10,000 invested in Nvidia in the beginning of this year, well, now you have $25,000 in that one stock. That may be too much of a weighting. So people are taking some profits, they're rebalancing. And what I liked about yesterday's price action was the market wasn't down. The S&P was down a little bit, but we rotated. We saw other sectors start to pick up the slack. So money's not leaving the market. Money is still in the market.
By the way, Jay, we saw that yesterday, but continuously, including you, people have said we're going to see a broadening of the market. I know you're still bullish on small caps. We haven't seen it. So one day certainly doesn't make a trend.
No.
But I do want to talk about the trend of inflation. We have PCE coming up later this week. How do you see the markets trading this week as we wait for that? Also, that bond auction, do you see that impacting yields?
Yeah, well, I think the PCE is the one thing we're really watching on Friday. We're starting to get inflationary numbers slowly tick down. The one that has consistently gone down, slowly, of course, is that PCE. If we get in-line numbers at 2.6%, then I expect that to be the green light for the Fed to go, say, September. You get that one cut. What have the small caps been waiting for? That green light. So I think, yes, a little early on this trade. They've been stabilizing, but when they go quickly, and we saw that at the end of last quarter.
I want to get into what you're feeling bullish about. There's another sector you like, but also I just want to talk about the frothiness in the market. Some of this Nvidia sell-off that's kind of had raised some hand-wringing. I was trying to think of the term. Some hand-wringing about the frothiness. UBS out with a note yesterday with pretty interesting stats. So 1 year after a record high, the S&P 500 performance, 12%. Any other year you pick, they say 12%. Are we worried too much about this concentration in frothiness?
No, and frothiness is a weird word. We're seeing it in some of the semiconductors, sure. We're not seeing it in the whole market. The tide's not lifting all the boats. The IPO market is still slow. A few stock splits, okay, that's exciting. But frothiness, no, I don't think so. 31 new highs this year, that is fantastic. And momentum begets momentum. And when you see rotation like we just saw yesterday, that's positive for the market overall.
All right, really quick, we got to get out of here, but you like financials. Not concerned about some of the economic slowdown we're seeing with financials? Higher for longer is good for financials.
I like the big banks. I like the big financials. I think J.P. Morgan's, J.P. Morgan, Goldman, great day yesterday. Bank of America, new highs. They're up 11% year to date. When the XLF goes up, it tends to go up quickly over time. Trends for years, 22% on average for the XLF over the last 25 years when it's an up year. So
it's
I
up
think
10% year to date.
It's got room to go.